ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kijai Pynduh Garo kibla kibla Shnong lasa. Hagisan pusau tuli ki Shnong ki bahap hapo karait marwet jangka hima milim. Haka nyotruk luber ara jar pusau kila Jingïarap no Menteri Rangbah ka jilla ukon ra kesang ma batkin turu bu untuk lar lem hadian makawai ka kinhun seng bahalang. Kibla tip kum ka nyotruk National Youth Movement. Kila persya ka jing ai sanat long Rangbah Shnong shi Kijai Pynduh Garo kibasa hapo ka nigarai ka bahap ru hapo upur usam jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Unikal Armarak ubrio advisor jong all Ribohoi Garo Headman Association bat kasiri mina marak hakajing kran mekila pathai kubor kle tho bo Menteri Rangbah ulapha eki belet yakindu you chief executive member jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban panjing pinsha halor kani laki Garo ki bede ki Shnong hapo kani ka jela Meghalaya kidan hok ne em bani yo eka sanat ban long Rangbah Shnong hagi Shnong jong raj marwet balasa tang ne Kijai Pynduh Garo.
We the Garo people living in Red Marwet should be given the Headman before it was given, and we have been staying in that area since British time. So at that time there were no Khasi people living there, only Garo, Boy people were there. But now, since last 2 years, they recognize our Headman ship, and then they are saying this and that, and we are the right owner, and since it is under India, it should be under Indian democratic, so everyone has the right to settle anywhere. Since we have been settling in that area since British time, say in 2000, since 1905, our forefathers were living in that area, and they have settled. And if you go and visit, you'll find that the plain places belong to our people. Before it was recognized, but now also in government offices, we are allowed to use that Headman seal. But there are some NGOs who are against it, and they are always complaining against it.
Okay, so what did the Chief Minister say?
He have sent us to the CM of District Council, KSADC. By next week, I think he'll be giving us time, and we'll meet there and we'll discuss with them.
Today, we have met our Honorable CM, sir, and we have talked about the problems. Problem is that Headman Association of Ribohoi District, they are not happy because they are getting the non-puniat sanat. So that non-puniat sanat is not satisfied for the people, for the Headman of Ribohoi District Garo Headman. So we have come to talk to Sir Honorable CM, and we have talked with the local MLA also and MDC also, and they are willing to help us to talk with CEM of District Council. So we hope our demand will be fruitful, it will be success, and I heard they are going to give the previous sanat as before we have exercised the Headman, but now they are giving the regarding one NGO, only one NGO, not other NGOs. Other NGOs are very much close with us. I have talked with them also. Only one NGO against regarding this Headman sanat of Garo people. So that is not good for us because we are all Meghalayan. We are all from one state. We are like brothers and sisters. Khasis are big, like a big brothers, and we are like their younger brothers. So we should continue our relationship in a good way in future.
How many Headmen are there?
There is 54 Headmen at present, Garo Headmen.
So, They are not recognized by only one NGO.
Yes.
The rest,
They never oppose. I have already talked with other NGOs also. They said that we don't want like such kind of communal things, madam. We want to be unite. They have called me also regarding last time when they demonstrated regarding the DAC result not out for 3 years. So they have called all of them. I have talked. I have met them also. So they never talk regarding these all things against the Garo Headman Sanat.
that means 55 Headmen from 54.
Yes.
So the people are okay with it. Only just the NGO.
Yes, only one NGO.
Okay.
So I hope our Honorable CEM of District Council, he will solve this problem, and Honorable CM sir also, and MDC and local MLA also. He have already talked in the morning. We have got very good response.